The secrets of millionaires are hidden in the pages of books. Books that change lives, reveal hidden truths, and transform your relationship with money. Have you ever thought about what your life would be like if you had access to the knowledge that the rich keep under lock and key? These books can be the missing key for you to unlock your financial potential. What would you do if you could learn from the world's greatest investors and entrepreneurs? Every page, a lesson, each chapter, one step closer to financial freedom. The stories and strategies contained in these books are not just theories. These are practices that have been tried and tested by those who have already achieved success. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world where money works for you and not the other way around. What are the principles that the most successful ones follow? What are the mistakes you should avoid at all costs? And most importantly, how can you apply these lessons to your life right now? These questions will be answered as we explore the books everyone should read to master their personal finances. Get ready for a transformative journey that will change the way you view money forever. If you're enjoying this content, I ask you to subscribe to my channel and help me keep growing and bringing you more relevant content. 1. The transformative impact of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Imagine starting your financial journey with a book that challenges everything you've learned about money. Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book. It is a revolution of thought. This classic shows how mindset can transform your financial destiny. Kiyosaki shares lessons from his Rich Dad and Poor Dad, revealing secrets that the rich teach their children that the middle class ignores. If you're ready to change your outlook on personal finance, this is the starting point. The book reveals the importance of acquiring assets rather than liabilities. Kiyosaki emphasizes that investing in assets, such as real estate and stocks, is the path to financial independence. He details how his financial education began at a young age and how the divergent advice from his biological father and mentor shaped his outlook on money. This intriguing narrative will keep you hooked from the first page. In addition, Kiyosaki demystifies complex financial concepts in an accessible way. It utilizes personal stories and practical examples to explain terms such as cash flow, investing, and financial leverage. Each chapter is a valuable lesson that can be applied directly to your life. By the time you complete the reading, you will feel equipped with a new understanding of how to build wealth and achieve financial stability. 2. Unraveling the mysteries of the richest man in Babylon. Travel back in time and learn financial lessons that have stood the test of centuries. George S. Clason's The Richest Man in Babylon uses ancient parables to teach eternal principles of finance. With engaging stories set in ancient Babylon, you'll uncover secrets about saving, investing, and financial wisdom. This book is a must-read for anyone seeking to understand the fundamentals of financial management through captivating stories. Clason's parables are filled with fascinating characters and richly detailed settings. Each story conveys an essential financial lesson, such as the importance of living below your means and investing wisely. The narratives are simple yet powerful, making it easy for any reader to absorb and apply the financial concepts in their own life. The lessons of Babylon are as relevant today as they were thousands of years ago. Clason also addresses the power of time and compound interest. He explains how small amounts of money, invested regularly, can grow significantly over time. This is a fundamental concept for anyone who wants to build wealth. By applying these simple yet powerful lessons, you can transform your financial situation and ensure a prosperous future for yourself and your family. 3. The quiet revolution of the secrets of the millionaire mind. If you believe that getting rich is a matter of luck, The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker will change your perception. Eker reveals that financial success is a science that can be learned. Based on his own experience of financial rise and fall, he offers a roadmap for reprogramming your financial mindset. This book is a powerful weapon for anyone who wants to achieve financial independence and live the life of their dreams. Eker divides the book into two parts. The first addresses the way we think about money, while the second provides practical actions to turn these beliefs into reality. He explains that our thoughts and feelings about money come from our past experiences and can be reprogrammed. Eker uses vivid examples and personal stories to illustrate his points, making reading dynamic and engaging. In addition to mental strategies, Eker offers practical advice on how to manage and multiply your money. It describes the use of separate bank accounts for different financial purposes, such as savings, investing, and leisure. This system helps create financial discipline that can lead to wealth growth. The combination of positive mindset and practical actions makes this book a complete guide to achieving financial success. 4. The Smart Strategy of the Smart Investor. When it comes to investing, Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor is the Bible that every aspiring investor should read. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, calls this book the best book on investing ever written. Graham teaches you how to avoid mistakes. Graham introduces the concept of value investing, which involves buying undervalued stocks and holding them for the long term. It explains how to identify companies with strong fundamentals that are trading below their intrinsic value. This method requires patience and discipline, but it can result in substantial returns. Graham's detailed explanations make this concept accessible even to novice investors. In addition, Graham warns of the dangers of speculation and irrational market behavior. He highlights the importance of staying calm during market fluctuations and not following the crowd. Graham offers practical advice on how to diversify your portfolio and minimize risk. This book is a comprehensive manual that provides you with all the tools you need to become a smart and successful investor. 5. The Personal Journey of Your Money or Your Life. Transform the Way You Look at Money with Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book offers a detailed program for reorganizing your finances and achieving true financial freedom. With practical exercises and deep reflections, you'll learn how to align your spending with your personal values. This book is a journey of self-discovery that goes far beyond finances, positively impacting every aspect of your life. Robin and Dominguez introduce the concept of turning money into life. They argue that money is something we exchange our time and energy for, and that we should spend it in a way that reflects our values and priorities. Through a 9-step process, the book guides readers through tracking their spending, calculating their net worth, and redefining their financial goals. Each step is designed to create a profound change in how you handle money. The book also explores the idea of financial sufficiency, which is reaching a point where you have enough to live comfortably and don't have to chase more wealth. Robin and Dominguez emphasize the importance of living sustainably and consciously. They provide practical tips on how to reduce expenses and increase savings without sacrificing quality of life. This is a comprehensive guide that teaches you not only how to manage your money, but how to transform your life. Each of these books holds the power to change your financial life forever. The strategies and expertise they offer are the secret to achieving financial freedom. What will your life be like a year from now if you apply these teachings? Think of the possibilities that open up when you take full control of your money. The freedom to choose, invest, and grow. These books are more than words on paper. They are maps that guide you to a more prosperous future. What steps are you willing to take to transform your financial reality? The power to change is in your hands, and the first step starts with reading. What unexpected insights will you uncover? What changes will you make starting today? By opening these pages, you are starting a journey that can reset your financial destiny. Get ready to explore, learn, and, above all, transform.